Hey there, I'm Brittany Holland, and today we're going to take a look at the extension repair system from B3 Brazilian Bond Builder. The B3 extension repair system is the industry's first system to maximize the life of extensions. From first installation to every move-up appointment, these breakthrough formulas ensure that the client's own hair and extensions look seamless and feel healthy while preventing breakage at the anchor points and without loosening bonds or adhesives. What I love about this system is how it keeps my extension work looking flawless between appointments, and my clients love that it gives them up to 2 additional months of longevity for their extensions. Because B3 worked with extension specialists in developing this system, each product is specifically formulated to enhance your services from the first installation to every move-up appointment and provide added value for all of your extension clients so they can enjoy the look and feel of brand new extensions for longer. Another thing that I love about this system is that it's compatible with all manufacturer Remy human hair wefts, as well as anchoring techniques including tape-ins, K-tip, sew-in, beaded, and clip-on, so it fits in with whatever line and method you specialize in. Now, using these products is really easy. For the extension specialist, you're going to want Ionic Extension Cleanser in your kit. It's a sulfate and oxide-free cleanser that prepares extensions for installation and move-up by removing micro residue and buildup without drying out wefts. I like how it improves adhesion, which is a great time saver, and it also reinforces fiber strength so wefts stay full. It's also great to use on extensions that may have an excessively heavy coating that is causing the bond or adhesive not to anchor securely because it will remove that layer without damaging or roughing up the cuticle. Next, I use Ionic Extension Refresh on natural and extension hair. Because it's ionically charged, it closes the cuticle layer, which helps to detangle as well as reduce installation and styling time, while also helping wefts blend with natural hair. For the client, Extension Repair Shampoo and Conditioner meets the unique needs of extension clients because it utilizes breakthrough bond building technology to prevent breakage at the anchor and at the same time repairs and restores hair fiber strength by prolonging a seamless look between move-up appointments. Rounding out this regimen is Ionic Extension Refresh. This is a client must-have because it addresses the 3 top concerns for extension wearers. It instantly blends natural and extension hair for a seamless look, eliminates knots and matting, and it cuts down blow-dry styling. As a luxury service, it's important to guarantee my work lasts and that the hair looks natural and feels healthy, so I bundle these 3 products with my client's hair extension purchase and install. Thanks for hanging out with me and learning about B3 Extension Repair System. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our specialist at 1-844-366-4333 or send us an email at cs@brazilianbondbuilder.com. I'm Brittany Holland. Keep breaking boundaries, not bonds.